Assalamualaikum, my friend. How are you? I'm fine. Today, we will show you two science experiments. The first science experiment, I need my brother's help. You need some matches, you need some candle, you need a glass jar, and you need some water in the food coloring. Let's start.
Okay, before we start, the water level must be not too high, not too low, just medium. And you need an adult besides you, otherwise it could be dangerous. Okay, so place the candle. Okay, move a bit. Thank you.
Look.
Okay, now once you've placed, put the fire, now put the base or the jar on top.
And then
You will see the water once the fire runs out, the water will rise. Oh.
the water level is rising.
It's rising. Okay, the fire is out. Now the water is gonna rise.
No more water.
See, there's no more water.
All is going inside. Now my brother will explain you why the water rise.
To start the fire, we must need oxygen, heat, and fuel. The flame goes out because of the lack of oxygen in the glass. If the air in the glass cools down and its volume decreases, a negative pressure creates in the glass. That's why the water rises.
Now I will show you the second science experiment. I hope children you understand. For this science experiment, you need a piece of paper and you need a glass of water. First, I'm gonna put the paper like this in the glass and then carefully turn it around. Make sure no water spills out. And then you see? Now I will explain you why the water doesn't spill. That's because of the air pressure, of the upward air pressure force and the downward air pressure force. They hit together. That's why the water doesn't spill. They're equal. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like it, please comment down below. Allah bless everyone. See you next